Good morning, dear children. How are you all? Are you studying well? Yes, very good. Okay. Children, our portion's almost over. Now what you have to do? Yes, you have to start revision. Okay, revise the third term chapters. Okay, learn well. Okay, let us start today's class. Listen carefully. Okay, children, look what these are. Yes, these are shapes, isn't it? These are two-dimensional shapes. We already learned about these shapes in class 1. Do you remember that? Yes, look, I made a shape collage by using the shapes. Can you identify the shapes I used here? Yes, circle, triangle, rectangle, squares, rectangle, yes, trapezium, oval shape, triangle, etc. Okay, by using these shapes we can make this type of shape collage. Children, today we are going to learn more about these shapes. Our chapter is chapter 7, Basic Geometry. Listen carefully. Can you recall the name of this shape? Yes, it's a triangle. Do you remember the properties of the triangle? Yes, tell me the properties of the triangle. Yes, it's a triangle. It has how many corners? Yes, 1, 2, 3. It has 3 corners. A triangle has 3 corners. Then, how many sides it has? 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides. How many sides? 3 sides. Then next, look here. What it is? Yes, it is a square. What is it? It's a square. What are the properties of the square? Yes, a square has how many corners? 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 corners. How many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 sides. 4 equal sides. A square has 4 equal sides. Clear? Then next, do you remember the name of this shape? Tell me. Yes, loudly. Rectangle. What it is? A rectangle. Okay, now look at the figure. How many corners it has? 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle has 4 corners. A rectangle has 4 corners. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle has 4 sides. Okay. Also, a rectangle has 2 equal sides. Now you see here, these 2 sides are equal. The opposite sides. These 2 sides are also equal. So, the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Clear? Then next, tell me the name of this shape. Yes, we know it's a circle. It's a circle. What are the properties of circle? Yes, it has no corners. Also, no sides. Isn't it? Okay. It's round in shape. A circle is round in shape. Clear? Then next, tell me the name of the shape. Oval. It's a oval shape. It has also no corners. It has no corners, no sides. It is a flattened circle. An oval is a flattened circle. Clear? Then next, tell me the name of the shape. Yes, it's a diamond. What's the name of the shape? Diamond. What are the properties? It has 4 corners. How many corners? 4 corners. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has four equal sides. A diamond has four equal sides. Sides are slanting. Okay, a diamond has four equal slanting sides. It has four equal slanting sides. Clear? Okay. Now tell me the name of the shape. It is a semicircle. What it is? A semicircle. Clear? So it is a half of a circle. A semicircle is half of a circle. Semicircle is half of a circle. Now we are going to do a worksheet. Listen carefully. Identify the shape. Can you tell me the shape of this clock? Yes, it's a square. The shape of this clock is a square. Very good. Then next, tell me the shape of this board. Yes. Now, can you tell me the shape? Yes, it's a rectangle. It's a rectangle. Then now, tell me the shape of this wheel. Yes, what it is? Circle. A wheel has circle shape, isn't it? See here. Can you tell me the shape of this mirror? Yes. Now, yes, tell me the shape. It's an oval shape. The mirror is an oval shape. Clear? What's the shape of this rainbow? Tell me. Yes, it's a semicircle. A rainbow has semicircular shape. Clear? Then next, what is the shape of this watermelon piece? Yes, it is a triangle. It's a triangle. Clear? Children, next we are going to learn solid shapes. Okay.
Children, next we are going to learn solid shapes. Solid shapes. Look here, these are examples for solid shapes. First we are going to learn cube. Look at the faces of this shape. Face means the flat surfaces. All the faces of a cube are squares. See here, all the faces are squares. All the faces are equal squares. So we can say it's a cube. What's the name of this solid figure? Yes, it's a cube. Did you understand? It's a cube. Clear? Now look at this. It's a cuboid. What's the name? Cuboid. Look at the faces. See here, it's a rectangular face. All the faces of a cuboid is rectangular shape. You see here? See the face? It's a rectangle. See, this is also rectangular face. So all the faces of a cuboid are rectangles. So we can say it's a cuboid. See here, C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Did you understand? Cube and cuboid? Yes. Children, look at this. It has a flat circular bottom. It has a flat circular bottom and a pointed top. See here, also it has a curved face. It has a curved face. What's its name? Yes, it's a cone. It's a cone. Clear? Now look at this. Yes, both the bottom and top are circular faces and it has a curved face. Clear? What's the name? Yes, it is a cylinder. Its name is cylinder. Did you understand? These are solid shapes. Now look at this. What is this? Yes, it's a ball, isn't it? Yes, in geometry we can say it's a sphere. What is its name? Sphere. Okay, a ball is example for sphere. Did you understand?
Children, now we are going to learn solid shapes. Solid shapes means 3D shapes or three-dimensional shapes. Okay, look here, it is a square, isn't it? This is a square. This is flat. Also it is a plane figure. Okay, it has no thickness. A square is a plane figure or two-dimensional figure. It is flat. It has no thickness. Clear? But look here. What is this? Yes, this is a Rubik's cube. What is this? It is a Rubik's cube. It has thickness. Also 6 squares joined together and formed this cube. How many squares? 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 6 square shaped faces joined together and formed this cube. Now we are going to learn more about cube. The shape of the cube is this. Okay. Now we are going to learn the properties of a cube. The properties of a cube. Can you tell me how many corners it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A cube has 8 corners. Clear? Next, how many faces it has? Yes, look here. It is a square face, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many faces? 6 flat square faces. A cube has 6 flat square faces. Okay. Next we are going to learn the edges. The faces joined together and formed the edges. Two faces, the place where two faces join is called an edge. The place where two faces are joined is called an edge. Now look at this picture and tell me how many edges it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A cube has 12 edges. Okay. Next we are going to learn a cuboid. What is the shape? Cuboid. Okay. The name of this shape is cuboid. Now we are going to learn more about this cuboid. The properties of cuboid. See here. A cuboid also has 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A cuboid has 8 corners. Clear? Look at its face. See here, rectangular face. Flat rectangular faces. A cuboid has flat rectangular faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many faces? Yes, 6 flat rectangular faces. A cuboid has 6 flat rectangular faces. Next we are going to learn the number of edges. Okay, the place where the faces join is called the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A cuboid has 12 edges. How many edges? 12 edges. Clear? Next, see here, it's a cone. What is this? It is a cone. Okay, now we are going to learn more about a cone. The properties of cone. Look at the picture. It has a corner. It has a corner. See here, a cone has one corner. Also, it has one curved face. Look here, it is a curved face. Clear? It is a curved face. So, a cone has one curved face. Okay. Now look at the bottom side. Yes. Our cone has one flat circular face also. Our cone has one flat circular face also. The base of this cone is a flat circular face. Okay. Also it has a circular edge. See here, it has a circular edge. One edge. Now look at the figure. A cone has one corner. A cone has one curved face. A cone has one flat face. A cone has one circular edge. Okay. Then next, look at this figure. Can you tell what it is? Yes, it's a cylinder. What it is? It's a cylinder. A candle is an example for a cylinder. Okay. Now you see here. Now we are going to learn more about cylinder. Look here. It has a curved face. Isn't it? Here it has a curved face. A cylinder has a curved face. Also it has two flat circular faces. See, the up and bottom, there are two flat circular faces. Okay. Next, it has two circular edges. It has two circular edges. Now, look at the figure. A cylinder has one curved face, two circular edges and two flat circular faces. Now, what is this? Yes, this is a ball. This is a ball. The shape of this ball is sphere. Okay, a ball is an example for sphere. In geometry, we will call it a sphere. Okay, now look at this sphere. What are the properties of this sphere? Yes, it has only one curved face. Okay, a sphere has one curved face. Clear? Now, see here. It has only one curved face and no flat face. A sphere has no flat face. Also, it has no edge or corners. A sphere has no edge or corners. Clear? Next, we are going to learn straight and curved lines. Next, we are going to learn straight and curved lines. Listen here. It's a straight line. Isn't it? It is a straight line. See here. These are examples for a straight line. Clear? Now, see here. This is an example for curved line. This is a curved line. This is a curved line. You see here how to draw lines. Next we are going to learn how to draw this lines. See here, a ruler or scale is used to draw straight lines. A scale or ruler is used to draw straight lines. We also use it to measure lines that are already drawn. Okay. See how to draw these lines? Hold the ruler firmly so that it does not move. Use a well sharpened pencil and draw neatly. Clear? See here, like this we can draw lines. This is an example for a horizontal line. This is a horizontal line. See here, this one is an example of vertical line. Vertical line. Then next we are going to draw a slanting line. This is an example for slanting line. Okay, these are some other things we can use to draw lines, but we cannot measure lines using them. To draw curved lines, we use a special instrument called compass. Curved lines can also be drawn using some objects or freehand. Okay, this is an instrument we use to draw circles or curved lines. We can draw this circle by using this bangle or bottle caps, etc. Clear? Okay. Then next we are going to learn tracing shapes. We can trace some flat shapes using the base of solid shapes or things. Okay, we can trace some flat shapes using the base of a solid shaped things. Listen here, like this we can trace the base shape of a solid figure. See here, like this. These are tracing shapes. Children, next we are going to do the activity. First we have to make a shape collage. You see here, it is a shape collage. Okay, by using 2D shapes, we can make this shape collage. Clear? Everybody should make this shape collage and take a neat photograph of this shape collage and upload the photo into our WhatsApp group. Next, you have to do some solid shapes also, that I will show you. Take the photographs of all this activity and upload it into our WhatsApp group. Okay.
Children, next you have to make model of a solid shape. Here we are going to make model of a cube. Okay, take a chart paper and write solid shape. We are going to make a cube and we are going to find out the number of corners, edges and faces of a cube. Okay, number of corners, edges and faces of a cube. Clear? Now, look here. It's a model of a cube. It is the model of a cube. Now, we are going to count the number of edges, corners and faces. Okay, we already told the joining place, the edges are joining in the corners. So, count and tell me the number of corners of this model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Isn't it? Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 corners. Clear? So, what you have to write? The number of corners is equal to 8, that you have to write here. Okay, number of corners 8. Clear? Next we are going to count the number of edges. See here, these red sticks are the number of edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 edges. Did you understand? Count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 edges. So, here number of edges you have to write. The number of edges is equal to 12. Number of edges is equal to 12, or a cube has 12 edges. Clear? Next we are going to count number of faces. We know the flat surface is known as the face. The up and down, there are 2 flat surfaces. Isn't it? The top and bottom there are 2 flat surfaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Altogether, how many faces? 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So, number of faces 6. That you have to write like this. So, what we got? A cube has 8 corners, 12 edges, 6 faces. A cube has 8 corners, 12 edges, 6 faces. Clear? Yes. Children, next you have to make a model of cylinder. See here, it's a cylinder. By using chart paper, you can make the model of cylinder. See here, it has a curved face and 2 flat circular faces. Okay, a cylinder has 1 curved face and 2 flat circular faces. Clear? Then next you have to make model of a cone. What you have to make? Model of a cone. It has a corner, 1 curved face and 1 edge. Also, it has 1 flat circular face. It is the model of a cone. These are the solid shapes you have to make. Clear? This is the activity of this week. Everybody should do this activity because you will get mark for this activity. Okay. Also, you have to do your textbook exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.